What's up, kings and queens? So I'm going to be sharing some videos and pictures along my 1-year lock journey. So we're going to take it all the way back to the beginning. I was 4.5 years locked and I decided to do a big chop. So here I am. I literally had a couple of inches of hair. I knew that I was going to restart my locks, but I actually wanted to start with some length. So I did some protective styles for about 6 or so months. And then by that time I had about a good 5 inches of hair, and I felt that was good enough. I didn't start my locks this time. I did get them started by someone else. I actually had 100 locks this time, and I ended up combining, so I'm down to 98 now. And this is at 2 weeks. As you can see, my parts are pretty much non-existent, but my comb coils are still there. She did a really good job at making sure that they didn't come loose. They actually lasted a full 5 weeks until my first wash and retwist. By the time I hit 2 months, my locks had started its budding phase, and I was super excited. In comparison to last time, my locks didn't start to bud that quick, but I knew better. I knew to leave my locks alone, just let them do its thing pretty much. I get this question all the time: how can I avoid the ugly phase, the budding phase? And you really can't. During this phase, I pretty much, when I had to step out, I did all different types of wraps, and that's how I survived. Other than that, I just kept my hair hydrated with rose water that I made from my garden and some oils on my scalp that I mixed together. Here I am at 3 months. I am progressing super duper quick. As you can see, pretty much my locks have turned into a big puff ball except for the very tips. I am at 4 months and my locks were looking extra juicy. But then of course I went to the gym and poofed my hair back out, and so back to the wraps I went. This is another go-to style that I love to wear, and retwisted again, and I think they're just progressing just so lovely. They look so healthy, and I'm super excited by this time because I know that my locks are looking how I wanted them to look. So I've been basically targeting just the roots, not touching the ends. Here I am at 6 months, and I'm training my locks to puff out as much as possible. So to make sure that I didn't experience any over twisting or thinning of the roots, especially in the long run like I did with my first set, I also went on a 7 to 8 week no retwist challenge. 8 weeks was a little bit too long, but that's when I went ahead and decided to go ahead and retwist every 4 to 6 weeks, and it worked out perfectly. Here I am at 8 months and my locks look so healthy. I'm so excited that they are turning out exactly how I want them to look. And you know, your girl has been just rocking that half up, half down pretty much every time I retwist my hair. I kept up with the same method, only retwisting at the roots, and here I am at 10 months. I want to say 2 weeks after I retwisted, my locks really filled out, and this is the look that I'm going for. It doesn't look like that at the first retwist, but as long as it looks full, you know, after that retwist, that's the look that I want. As of March, I am officially 1 year locked, and I absolutely love my locks. This is the first time that I actually palm rolled all the way down to the ends, but you can see I still have plenty of frizz. It's especially really frizzy at the bottoms, which lets me know that I still have some maturing to do, but that's my journey. I hope you liked this video. If you could, please leave me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comments box below. And until next time, be you, be beautiful, be blessed.